Meet the new Jackery Explorer 300, bringing you 293 watt-hours of clean, stable electricity to power any adventure life might throw at you. Our new lithium battery generator weighs only 7 pounds, and its easy carry handle and compact size make it more portable than ever. This product provides 300-watt max continuous power and 500-watt surge power. And despite its small size, we've managed to include 2 powerful AC outlets, 2 USB, and 1 USB-C port, featuring PD 60-watt quick charge technology, as well as a 12-volt car port. You can trust that your sensitive devices are safe with our advanced pure sine wave inverter, which produces smooth and stable energy. Whether you're traveling on or off-road, you won't want to leave home without your Explorer 300. Set up our optional Solar Saga 100 and recharge your battery while still powering numerous devices at the same time. We've even included an MPPT solar charge controller to increase the battery's solar charging efficiency. If the sun isn't shining, you can also recharge the unit by plugging the included chargers into a wall outlet, carport, or electric generator. The device features fast recharging technology and can go from 0 to 80% in only 4 hours when plugged into your wall outlet. The Explorer 300 can power many of your standard electronics, making even non-portable devices portable. This allows you to spend more time outside and less time tinkering with noisy gas generators. You can use it to power your TVs, laptops, game systems, and even your professional cameras and drones, so you'll never miss that perfect shot because of a dead battery. Take the Explorer 300 on your next adventure and reach new destinations while exploring limitless possibilities for power.
The Yeti 1000 Core. We took the most impactful features of the Goal Zero Yeti experience and created a power station that serves up exactly what you want and nothing you don't. Dependable, powerful lithium battery technology, 7 versatile port options, optimized solar charging. The Yeti 1000 Core delivers award-winning power when you need it, anywhere you go. It's as simple and easy as that. With a 1,000 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, the Goal Zero Yeti 1000 Core power station equips you with silent, fume-free power for camping, tailgating, off-grid events, workshops, and emergency backup. Power your devices and appliances with an array of port options, including a fast-charging 60-watt USB-C power delivery port, 2 AC ports with a 1,200-watt AC inverter. This inverter has a 2,400-watt surge capacity, allowing for a large range of devices and small appliances. There are 2 2.4-amp USB-A ports, an 18-watt USB-C port, 2 6mm 12-volt output ports that pair well with Goal Zero lighting options, and finally, a 12-volt car port with up to 15 amps of regulated output. Another addition to this Yeti is an MPPT charge controller. Users will see a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels. To charge the Yeti from the faceplate, there are 2 options: an 8mm charging port that can accept up to 150 watts of input, or a high-power port capable of accepting 300 watts of input. The maximum input a Yeti 1000 Core can accept is 300 watts. The included 120-watt wall charger will recharge the Yeti in 9 hours, but the Yeti can be charged in 4.5 hours using the optional fast-charging 230-watt power supply, or in as little as 3.5 hours from solar. Our intuitive LCD display allows you to view your input, output, time to empty and full, and current battery level. For more display features, see your Yeti user guide. Under the lid, there are additional input and output options, including a 10-amp 6mm 12-volt output and an 8mm 150-watt input port. These options allow for a more seamless cord management experience. Whether you need it on the road or when the grid goes down, you can count on the Yeti 1000 Core to power your electronics, appliances, CPAPs, and more. For more information, consult your Yeti user guide.
The Rebel 440 Power Station is your ticket to freedom and security. Welcome to the world of portable, renewable power. For a super fast recharge, plug it into the wall and a USB-C charger at the same time. The maximum input power of up to 200 watts. It can recharge from 0 to 80% in 1.7 hours, which is the fastest recharging in its class. There is an advanced battery management system integrated into the Rebel 440. The system offers full protection against overload, short circuit, overheating, over-discharge, and more. Regardless of battery level, the 12-volt DC outputs are regulated, meaning the output voltage will always stay at the rated 12 volts. Perfect for CPAP machines or refrigerators for longer runtime. And when you're ready to hit the road, take your Rebel 440 with you for a completely off-the-grid experience. Recharge your Rebel 440 with 1 or 2 solar panels. The built-in solar MPPT always extracts the maximum power from your panels. The Rebel 440 features a 100-watt USB-C PD port, which can either deliver or receive power up to 100 watts. The 100-watt USB-C PD can charge your device up to 70% faster, and it can even charge larger devices like tablets and laptops. The Rebel 440 has 403 watt-hours of capacity in a portable and convenient size. The Rebel 440 inverter delivers the cleanest, most reliable AC power, 440 watts. There are 3 AC outlets well spaced for wide plugs and power bricks. The Rebel 440 is the best all-around power station for your everyday needs at the golden ratio of performance and price.
Introducing the Jackery Explorer 500, one of the lightest and most portable rechargeable lithium battery generators on the market. With no gas or noise, the Explorer is perfect for many occasions. The Explorer 500 is power to go in a compact, lightweight design featuring multiple connections to charge your mainstream gear and more. With Jackery, you can afford to work remotely more often. Charge your laptops, phones, and more without having to go home. With an output of 500 watts, the Explorer is great for use on the road, backyard power, outdoor recreation, power outages, and much more. In the event of a power outage, sleep soundly knowing your CPAP machine will be powered throughout the night. The Explorer 500 recharges fully in just about 7 hours from a standard wall outlet, and can also be charged on the road with your car's AC port. With an optional solar panel, you can enjoy completely sustainable solar energy while on your adventure. Simply unfold, plug in, and leave in broad daylight. The Explorer 500 weighs in at just over 13 pounds, making it easy to bring with you on any occasion. Featuring 3 USB ports, a DC and AC outlet, the 500 can charge a barrage of devices at once. The Explorer 500 also features a built-in flashlight with an SOS mode. From a diverse assortment of outdoor uses to a variety of important medical and safety features, the Explorer 500 is a must-have for the modern adventurer and household.
What does it mean to live without limits? Introducing the EcoFlow Delta Pro, the world's first portable home battery with an expandable ecosystem designed to store energy so you can use it at any time. The Delta Pro ecosystem connects directly to your home with the new EcoFlow Smart Home Panel, which immediately reroutes to Delta Pro to provide uninterrupted power during emergencies. Power outages are no longer a problem, as Delta Pro keeps your entire home fully powered, even high wattage appliances. And in daily use, the ecosystem reduces your reliance on the grid, saving money on your energy bills. The EcoFlow app gives you full control over your home circuits and lets you manage your power consumption. If you need another way to power high voltage devices, connect 2 Delta Pro units together. During emergencies, The new EcoFlow Smart Generator provides cost-effective and efficient power compared to using a traditional gas generator alone. Delta Pro takes innovation even further. Introducing FlowCharge, the world's first charging technology that lets you charge anywhere at any time. The new EcoFlow Solar Tracker automatically follows the position of the sun to improve power generation. At home, plug Delta Pro into any wall outlet to fully charge in 2.5 hours, thanks to Xtreme, the world's fastest portable power station charging technology. For the first time ever, you can charge Delta Pro at any leading Level 2 EV charging station. All this and more make Delta Pro the most powerful portable power solution, because Delta Pro isn't just a portable home battery, it's a way to power a new world.
The Yeti 3000X. Powering your life at home and on the road with clean, quiet, fume-free power is easier than ever with this large capacity power station. Multiple port options allow you to run everything from power tools and air conditioners to electric bikes and wood-fired grills. The upgraded AC inverter allows you to confidently run anything you could from a traditional wall outlet. With a 3,000-watt lithium-ion battery at its core, the Goal Zero Yeti 3000X power station equips you with reliable, portable power for camping, tailgating, off-grid events, workshops, and emergency backup. The Yeti comes ready to power a wide range of devices with an array of port options, including a fast-charging 60-watt USB-C power delivery port, 2 AC ports, with a powerful 2,000-watt AC inverter, allows you to run power-hungry devices and appliances with confidence. Our new inverter size can handle up to 3,500-watt surges from power tools, refrigerators, and air conditioners, making it possible to power anything, anywhere. 2 2.4-amp USB-A ports, an 18-watt USB-C output, 2 6mm 12-volt output ports, which pair well with some of our lighting options, a 12-volt car charging port with up to 13 amps of regulated output, and a 30-amp 12-volt regulated APP output. This allows you to power a large 12-volt system from a single port. Another addition to this Yeti is an MPPT charge controller. Users will see a 30% more efficient charge from our line of solar panels. Check our website for recommended solar panel pairings based on your intended use. To charge the Yeti from the faceplate, there are 2 options: an 8mm charging port that can accept up to 120 watts of input, or an Anderson power pole port capable of accepting 600 watts of input. The maximum input a Yeti 3000X can accept is 660 watts. The included 230-watt wall charger will recharge the Yeti in 14 hours, but the Yeti can be charged in as little as 5 hours from solar or other fast-charging power supplies. Our intuitive LCD display allows you to view your input, output, time to empty and full, and current battery level. For more display features, see your Yeti user guide. Under the lid, there are additional input and output options, including a 30-amp 12-volt APP output and an 8mm 120-watt input port. These options allow for a more seamless cord management experience. There's also a module bay designed for our Yeti Link system, which optimizes your Yeti for vehicle, home, or battery system integration. In addition, we've expanded the capabilities of the latest Yeti app to include historical power tracking, charging profile options, and more. Easily pair your Yeti by pressing the wireless button and following the in-app instructions. This allows you to check battery level, power in and out, and turn ports on and off, all from the palm of your hand. With our historical power tracking feature, you are able to view your usage history in an easy-to-read data chart. Within the app, you can also select charging profiles based on your use to optimize your battery life. Whether you need it on the job site, on the road, or as a home backup when the grid goes down, you can count on the Yeti 3000X to power your electronics, appliances, CPAPs, and more. For more information, visit goalzero.com or one of our retailers.